Hi, my name's Carl and I'm the curriculum leader for the BTEC Level 3 courses at the R&N Group at Rotherham. As you can see on the display, we offer 3 courses at the Rotherham campus for the Level 3 BTEC Engineering. These are Level 3 BTEC Certificate in Advanced Manufacturing Engineering, and this is the first year course for a full-time student. They study this course over 3 days. The second course that we do is the Level 3 BTEC Extended Diploma in Advanced Manufacturing Engineering, and this is the second year as a full-time student. Again, this will be studied over 3 days, but generally 3 different days to what you would have been in the first year. Our last option is the Level 3 BTEC Diploma in Advanced Manufacturing Engineering, and this is studied on a part-time basis, and it's over 2 years. This will be studied 1 day a week and is generally undertaken by apprentices or people who are at work. On these courses, you will encounter lots of modules that you'll have to study. Some examples of them are health and safety in the workplace, communication skills, mathematics for engineers, electrical and electronic principles, and mechanical principles. As I said, there are lots of others, and this all depends on which route you take. If you come from a work basis, then you can either pick mechanical or electrical, and you can focus on that area. If you come as a full-time student, you'll generally do a general course, which means that you'll do mechanical, electrical, and other areas of engineering. While at college, you will be expected to undertake other activities as well as your vocational course. These are such things as work placements. With a work placement, we will help you find your place to go and do 2 weeks of work placement. This will all depend on what area of engineering you are interested in the most. If you allow us to look for a specific place, we will easily find you one. Another thing you might have to do are links to industry. So in engineering, we have something called the Engineering Education Scheme, and this is where you join with a group of your peers from your class to undertake a project for a major engineering company. Some examples of companies that we've used in the past are Liberty Steel, Rolls-Royce, and the nuclear AMRC. But after you finish your courses, there are plenty of opportunities that will become an option for you. These are university, apprenticeships or higher apprenticeships, and higher education in general. We can help you find or apply for any of these, especially with higher education and university. We will help you write your application forms. When it comes to apprenticeships, we have an apprenticeship team at college, and we will help you find those apprenticeships. This could lead to some fantastic jobs in the engineering sector. You could become an electrical engineer, an aerospace engineer, a design engineer, or a mechanical engineer, just to name a few of them. These are massive jobs in the area of Rotherham at the moment. We have lots of engineering companies that are looking for apprentices and or university students. These include some companies such as AES Seals, Greencore, CW Fletchers, and more. If you would like any more information, please get in contact through Rotherham College and they will put you through to me. Thank you very much.